John Jaldum here from Helium 10. Super excited to introduce you to the new Helium 10 mobile app. Today's video is meant to be just a quick walkthrough of the app, some of the features. We're bringing you the best of both profits and alerts here. It's meant to keep you updated on your Amazon business wherever you are. Designed for those quick glances of information so you can always stay informed, always be in the loop wherever you are. But let's start out here, opening up the app. We have this nice little onboarding area. You'll see when you first open the app, gives you a little bit of context on what the app is, the main sections, a couple sections here, profits and alerts, like I said, but each are packed with features, and we'll dive into those. But we'll press get started here. Gets you right to our login area. There's a few ways you can log in, three actually, but we'll start with the first two you see here. First is this really cool login method we call Magic Link. Makes it super easy to log into your Helium 10 account. You don't even need a password, but we'll just go over here. You type in the email address for your Helium 10 account, and that's important. It needs to be the email address associated with your Helium 10 account, but you just type in your email here. I'll give an example. I'll say bradley@gmail.com. Let's say that's Bradley's login, and then you just send your magic link. But what you'll get is an email into your inbox. I'll move over here to my email app just to show you what that might look like. Gives you just a quick summary of, hey, we're trying to give you a magic link here to log into the mobile app. You tap on this button, and it'll actually send you right back over to the mobile app and log you in. So make sure you do that on your mobile device. You can't tap on that link on your laptop or desktop computer or something like that. It only works on a mobile device and the mobile device that you're trying to log into. So back here in this, in the app, I'm not going to click on that link right now just because I want to show you the other methods in which you can log in. We'll go over here to typing your username and password. Same thing as what you would do on your computer. We'll take advantage of some of the cool built-in features of the operating system. Here I got my login details saved using Keychain on iOS, but you might have this saved on yours as well. But I'm using Bradley's account here from Project X. Quick shout out here to Bradley. Go check out those great videos for Project X, talking about building an Amazon business from start to finish. But here we got our information filled out. We'll go ahead and log in. See, we get this prompt here, and this is what I was talking about with 3 ways to log in. We can actually log in using biometric capabilities, and so biometric just means things like Face ID, Touch ID on iPhones, depends on your device. On Android, you can always use a face scanner or fingerprint scanner if they have that. But what we're trying to do is make a super secure and also a super easy way to get back into the app every single time you open it. So here I'm using an iPhone 10 and I have Face ID. So it's prompting me whether I want to start using this for the next time I log in. Here I'm going to say yes. And then we'll just get a system prompt. This is kind of the native operating system, just confirming our actions. We'll go ahead and press OK. And it's going to approve that and log me in. So what this does, I'll demonstrate that. Quit the app. Next time I open up the app, it's going to immediately start logging me in. So really, really cool stuff. Super fast, really secure. Quick note on here. This only works if you authenticate the first time with a username and password. So it doesn't work with a magic link. So just keep that in mind. But now we're in the app. I also want to do a quick note here. You must have an MWS token connected to your Helium 10 account for this to work. We're pulling in information from your Amazon account, so we need to make sure that's connected to show you things. I'll give you a quick look at what might that look like. If you don't have it, you'll see a warning. It'll just be telling you, hey, you need to go and connect your Helium 10 account with your MWS token, and if it's not, you just really can't use the app. So make sure that's connected on the web app before you start using this. But fortunately, back in the app, we have our MWS token connected, so we're good to go. We're off in the app. But right off the bat, you'll see profits, main tab here, first tab in the app. We're getting a quick overview of our business, our sales, units sold, similar to what you'd see on the web. You can scroll through these for different periods. Today, we got yesterday, week, month, similar to what you'd see on the web. Great little summary of how you're doing that you can keep checking back in on each day. I love doing this a couple times a day. Actually, I know Bradley's been saying the same thing, but a good summary right at the start. We move right into these really cool charts. They summarize your entire business, giving you trends of how things are going on. This month, last month, here we'll see, March performance versus February. But what I really like doing is going into more detail here. And this is something we call scrubbing. If you hold on the chart, we can actually see month over month performance. Up top, you'll get that comparison in percentage terms. But you'll see here I have March 1st to March 14th versus February 1st to February 14th. So 14 days of each month. How was I doing? Obviously seeing a big gain here, which is amazing. But then we even show daily values for each date as you scrub over it. And then both charts move at the same time. So really cool feature there that you can use to see more detail, but also see trends. Next area here is your sales trends. Good sign here. We'll show you declining or increasing sales for the day. We have no products with declining sales. That's a good sign. But if you did, maybe it's some products that you might want to look into. Moving on, we're into the products section. Big section here. Lots of stuff that you can really dive deep in on. Here we're showing you favorites, sorted by gross sales. You can see it for a lot of different periods here. We got today, yesterday, week, month. It's sorted in a declining fashion, descending order for each of your products, but nice little summary here of your favorites. Some people have tons of different products, but this will show you kind of your top favorites that you want to, pay attention to. If you do want to see all your products, you can always go into see all. Again, you can see things for different periods, but this will show you for all your products for the different periods. You can also search for individual products. This is, again, really helpful for users who have, maybe hundreds of products. You can search by ASIN, SKU, title, things like that, but really nice way to get into detail of any product that you might want. But here, like I said, you can really dive deep into each product in this section. Here we'll tap on a product and move over to some more information on this individual product's performance. We have these great charts again. We got ones for units sold, gross sales, and even refunds. But before it was a summary of the overall business in the charts, but these ones will tell us the performance for just this specific product. Again, we can do this cool scrubbing to see month over month performance and even those daily values, and all the charts move together. So it kind of gives us a great summary and trend of how things are going for this product. You can do that for any product, which is really great. But we'll get out of here, move back into the profit section, and we will move to the last part, which is orders. This is actually a mobile exclusive feature here. You can scroll through all your orders right as they come in, see what people are buying, different details, different quantities, what are the products that you're selling. I think this is something that's just really fun and actually, rewarding to see how your business is doing and see what people are buying. So we think that'll be a really cool feature for people. We'll move back out, and that really does it for our profits section of the app. A lot of great information, like I said, but keeps you informed on how your business is doing, and something you can kind of keep getting information on, quick snapshots throughout the day. Next up here is alerts. We'll move over here to the second tab and we'll instantly get prompted for push notifications. This is a exciting feature of our mobile app is now you can get alerts through push notifications where previously we just had email. Sometimes things might get lost in your email or you prefer getting push notifications, but we think this will be a great way to always stay informed with those ASINs that you want to track. But this is iOS, like I said. Android is slightly different, but we're getting asked here if you want to enable push notifications on this device. We'll say yes, get this system prompt. We say allow, but don't worry, you won't start getting bombarded with a ton of push notifications. We only have a few enabled by default, but you can always go over to your web dashboard and go over to your profile and just turn on the ones that you want. Maybe you just want to see push notifications for buy box changes or, image changes or negative reviews, things like that. You can always customize those, have as many or as little as you want. And these are independent of email. So you could keep email on plus push, or you could just have push or just email, whatever you want. So just make sure to enable these on the device. And then go and customize those how you want. But those will come in real time, even when you're not using the app. Just like your other favorite apps, Facebook, Instagram, things like that. You get, pings and notifications even when you're not using the app. But these will just be for those alerts that you want to receive. But we also have this, full tab here. This gives you all alerts that have ever been created. A chronological list that you can reference at any time. This is really everything. Push notifications only come in for the alerts that you want, but maybe you want to see everything else at other times. That's what this tab is for. And so you can be scrolling through it. You can also filter by different categories. So maybe I just want to see price changes. I can scroll through those types of alerts, or maybe I want to see, product title change, stuff like that. You can go through here and filter those how you want. So really great way to see all your different alerts and just keep informed on the different ASINs that you want to track. And then obviously as you're on the go and even when you're not looking at the app, you'll get those push notifications. So really cool, exciting area and feature for the app. Those are the two main areas. We'll also move over to this third tab. This really just is kind of your basic account tab, logging out, switching accounts, customizing those push notification settings like we said, and sending feedback. But that is the mobile app. Like I said, lots of features built in. We're really excited to have everyone check it out and start using it. So make sure to go download the app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for Android. Go check it out. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. So make sure to give us a review if you're enjoying it. We'd love to see that type of feedback. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Go download the app.